Okay, to create an opt-in form, you need to create a HTML form code. Okay, remember, I have actually created one for you, show you how to create one during our workshop. Okay, so these are here is the HTML form. Alright, HTML code. Okay, make sure you have a center right in front and a close center right below. Okay, so all you need to do is highlight the code, copy it. Okay, go to the Mozilla. Alright, I want to input it right at the center, so I'll click centralize. So you can see the cursor is at the center. So the next thing I need to do is go to insert HTML. Alright, now all I need to do is paste the code in. Okay, and I click insert, and you can see the codes, the form are here. Alright, then also you may want to put some disclaimer, okay, like privacy as well. Okay, let me show you what is it. Okay, we can be something like this. I totally hate spam as much as you. Your name and email will not be shared, so I basically just copy it, right, and I paste it right at the bottom. Right, I can make it smaller. Okay, how to do smaller? Remember this smaller font size. Okay, just make it okay, something like that would do. Alright, and that's it. We have created an opt-in form. Yeah, you see the title, the subheadline, the body, the bullet, and the opt-in form. Okay, now let me save this. Okay, how you need to do is save file, save as. Okay, title. This title is basically this untitled composer you see right on top. What do you want to appear on top here? Okay, let me see. Let me just name it as home base internet business. That's it. Okay, and I will save this in the desktop. Maybe I'll call it as home business. The file will be saved as home business. Okay, so you can see here, home base internet business, the title tag is called the title tag, and the file name is homebusiness.html. Alright, so the next step is I will show you how to FTP.